everyone, it's Nisha. So today we are going to do another face base of the week. So these videos are not foundation reviews because I probably reviewed all these foundations that I'm showing, and I will leave you here a link to my foundation reviews playlist, and I also have a playlist of powder foundation reviews. So this is like combinations of foundations. I often mix my foundations, I top them up with different powders. So I'm sharing with you my favorite foundation combinations. And today we are going to be using IT Cosmetics CC cream. Mine is in medium, and also a couple of Laura Mercier's mineral powders. So let's get straight to the demo. Okay, so for my skincare, I only put my vitamin C serum and some eye cream. I don't put really moisturizer under this because remember, this is CC cream, so this is your moisturizer and everything in one. And I've noticed that if I put moisturizer, and my moisturizers are quite rich, this gets quite shiny then, throughout the day. So I don't really put any moisturizer. This got skincare ingredients just like your face cream, but acts like a foundation. So let's put that on. I'm not going to put too much of it. Because of course we are going to top it up with something. If you have very dry skin and you feel you definitely need a moisturizer, then by all means do it. Okay, so that little amount gave me nice medium coverage, light medium. You can build it up, but I don't, because I will put something else on it. But let me do the concealer. I do my Jeffree Star. I'm actually running out of this concealer. I think that this concealer doesn't have much product in it comparing to other ones. On my nose, I'm going to put Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. Remember that the lights will be going brighter and darker. You know the drill. I sit in the front of a big window, and unfortunately I can't control the weather and the sun is going in and out, so I can't help it. Okay, I might add a bit more concealer later, but that's it for now. Now what I take is the Laura Mercier mineral foundation, mineral powder, and I mix classic beige and rich vanilla. Classic beige is a bit darker. I have 3 different colors of this because I love it. So what I do, I mix the two. I pour a bit of one and a bit of the other in the same lid. I take like a powder brush. Remember, with powder foundations, loose or pressed, you can control the coverage. So the fluffier the brush, the less coverage you get. The denser the brush, the more coverage. So I don't want too much because I already have obviously the CC cream. So I'm taking this powder brush, mix them two together, tap it off, and then I'm going to lightly buff it in all over, apart from under my eyes. And you just keep buffing, depends how much coverage you want. And this is adding me a bit of color as well. Okay, so this is close up. This is in a natural light now. The sun is staying steady, so I thought I quickly show you close up in a natural light. So that has given me more coverage. It is not very flat because the mineral foundation have tiny bit of glow. So there it is. I'm going now to add a bit more concealer. Remember, I didn't put any of that powder under my eyes. I will use the Stay Naked New Concealer in 40 NY. It's a lovely concealer. I need to get different color of it. Really, I'm not too happy with this color, you know, when I reviewed it, but when I mix it with other concealers, it's okay. I'm going to set the concealer with Jeffree Star's powder. And now I'm going to bronze. I might use today the Becca and Khloe palette for my bronzer and my blushes. I never usually use just one bronzer, you know. I'm never happy with the tone of just one bronzer. I usually like layer them. But let's use this one today. And I might as well use a bit of that highlighter from this palette. And that's your face base done. Now if you feel a bit powdery, by all means spray it. Let me spray it. This is MAC Fix Plus, and it's one of those. I can't remember what flavor it is. They've come out with the mini ones and they all different flavors. Why doesn't it say on here? Probably does, but I can't see. I've got a new gadget because, you know, my fan was far too big. I've got this amazing fan, handheld fan. I think it is USB chargeable. I can't remember. Let me just do my brows. Okay, my brows are done. So this is my face base of the week. I have been using, this has been one of my favorite bases for years. I've been using it like this for a very, very long time. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.